And finally, we want to know how inter-realm or inter-domain authentication works. Inter-realm authentication is enabled by creating a trust relationship between two realms. The password for a domain trust account is used to derive an inter-realm key for encrypting referral tickets. Inter-realm keys are exchanged between KDC servers in trusted domains. After the inter-realm key is shared, the ticket granting service of each realm is registered as a security principal with the other realm's KDC. As a result, the ticket granting service in each realm can treat the ticket granting service in the other realm as just another service, something for which properly authenticated clients can request and receive service tickets. When a client needs to access a service in another trusted realm, a TGS request will be sent to the client's local KDC, which will reply with a TGS referral containing a TGT for the target trusted realm encrypted with the shared inter-realm key, and KRB TGT SPN for the target trusted realm. The client recognizes that the TGS response is a referral message and sends the newly received TGT in a new TGS request message to the remote realm to get the service ticket it needs. Here we have a user with an account in test.me domain accessing a web server app251 with an account in the subdomain called subdom.test.me. Here is the entire conversation recorded in Network Monitor. Again, the client tries accessing the server without authenticating itself, and the server responds with 401 unauthorized error. The Kerberos client on the user's workstation sends a request for a service ticket to KDC TGS in the user's account realm, test.me. We can see the request details in Network Monitor. The local KDC TGS determines that the desired server is not a security principal in its realm, so it replies by sending the client a referral ticket, which is a TGT encrypted with the inter-realm key, shared between the KDC servers in test.me and the KDC servers in subdom.test.me. We see a TGT for the subdomain, and the SPN of the responsible KDC are included in the response. The client uses the referral ticket to prepare a second request for a service ticket, and this time sends the request to the KDC TGS on DC202, which is in the web server's account realm, subdom.test.me. Here are the details of the new TGS request. The KDC TGS in the subdomain uses its copy of the inter-realm key to decrypt the referral ticket, and if it succeeds, it sends the client the service ticket for the target web server. Here is the service ticket for http://subdom site 251. The client then sends the application authentication request to app 251, including the service ticket. The server authenticates itself to the client. The client logs on, and we see the Kerberos user logon event in app251, web server security log. The user 1 cached the TGT for the subdomain and the service ticket for subdom site 251 on the PC1. Authentication requests which need to cross more than 2 realms can be optimized by configuring shortcut trusts. The shortest path algorithm can only make use of explicit trusts that are at or about the current position in the tree.